So thanks for tuning in for this latest Essential RC product test, and quite an interesting one, the first of a few I suspect. We're testing out the Insta360 ONE 360 video camcorder from our friends at gearbest.com. Now, I've never tried out a 360 camera. There have been a few out for quite a while, but I think this is definitely, they say, one of the best out there at the moment. And if you're watching this now in a reasonably up-to-date browser on your iPad or on your desktop or on your phone, then you should be able to scroll around using your mouse or your finger around beyond the field of view that you're looking now. So just touch on the display and swipe to the left or to the right, up or down, and you'll be able to see from a different view in full 360 degrees. So lots of interesting things you can do with this 360 camera. We'll be able to put it on different RC vehicles, maybe planes and cars. And you imagine putting this on an RC plane, maybe a jet, while another jet is flying in formation with it, and we'll be able to track, you'll be able to track automatically by using your finger or your mouse to track where the other jet is in comparison, which would be quite an interesting thing to do. Much more interesting, I think, than just the regular 2D view that you can get. Okay, so let's do a bit of walking, and you can test it out yourself and pan around and look at the view while I'm walking along. So there you go, there's the end of our little walk. I hope you enjoyed that and that you could pan around and see the different views as I was walking along. It's going to be really interesting to use this new tool, this new 360 degree camera on our projects on the Essential RC YouTube channel over the next few months on various RC vehicles, and we can even live stream in 360 degrees using this camera as well. That could be quite interesting as well, so that when it's set up, you'll be able to pan around the flight line and see what other RC aircraft are around and are going to be flying at the event. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Look in the video description for a link to this Insta360 ONE camera for a great price on gearbest.com. And but thanks for watching. Look us up on our Facebook group and our Facebook page as well for more news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. See you next time.